Chengfen Jewelry is a professional stainless steel jewelry manufacturer in China. Our jewelry has been exported to more than 100 countries around the world. Our best-selling styles include stainless steel earrings, rings and pendants. Stainless steel earrings. Made of hypoallergenic surgical-grade stainless steel, our stainless steel earrings have a striking shine from the sturdy metal, are durable and won't tarnish with regular use, and are suitable for both single and multiple ear piercings. Stainless steel earrings are naturally resistant to tarnishing and easy to keep clean. It is one of the most durable metals and styles and includes a wide range of designs offering value, quality, and long-lasting results, including smooth surfaces and seamless finishes. Stainless steel rings. Our collection of stainless steel rings includes cast Gothic rings, simple boho-style adjustable split rings, spinning anxiety rings, and other unique unisex rings, all made of hypoallergenic high-quality stainless steel. Stainless steel is durable and a good choice for making rings. If you are serious about jewelry, lead an active lifestyle, or have a job that requires a lot of hands, stainless steel may be a good choice due to its high strength. It withstands daily use and fights most signs of aging. Stainless steel pendants. Our collection of stainless steel pendants includes Gothic skulls, dog tags, crosses, zirconia, and other unique styles for men and women, all made of high-quality stainless steel for durability, beauty, and comfort. Stainless steel pendants are a meaningful gift that you can give to your loved ones as souvenirs, love talismans, or birthstone pendants. We offer fast delivery, free designs, free samples, and custom or OEM services. We accept orders for stainless steel earrings from brands, retailers, wholesalers, distributors, and even jewelry designers around the world.